Hi to all, before the start of video we would love to thank you for coming by and stopping by Ministry of 3D Printing. Today we are going to do a quick review about the Geeetech A30 FTM 3D printer, so enjoy your stay and watch the video till the end.
Hello guys, and thanks for visiting our channel Ministry of 3D. My name is Harun, and now with my friend Armin we are going to show you something more about this beautiful 3D printer called Geeetech A30. In this video we are going to show you how to assemble this 3D printer from the first step to the last step, how to adjust it, and how to make something useful on it, or how to 3D print something on it. So stay with us.
As we move to the video, you are able to see the package, how it looks like after we receive it. Also, we wanted to check the weight by calculating it, so it weighted around 60 kilograms. But also I must mention that together with the package we received 1 kilogram of PLA filament. The filament is from Czech Republic, from a company called the Filament PM. And we received it together with the printer from our distributor as a gift. Later on, we moved to the unpacking. As you can see right here, our distributor managed to put some samples of the filament PM into our package. There was a lot of samples like PLA, ABS, nylon, TPU and other samples. Also right here you can see the auto level model. What I must mention is that the auto level model doesn't come with the printer price, so you need to pay additional for that. I think it's around 30 bucks. Also at the end there was a list of package that was signed by Geeetech expert, so they were sure that all parts are included into the package. First of all was the build plate together with the X-axis, so it was already pre-assembled. Right here you are able to see one more small package. This package was made for power cable, for screwdrivers, for screws and other stuff. And after that we moved to the Y-axis and Z-axis. It was also pre-assembled. One thing I must mention is the whole package was pretty well secured because of the rough transport. So next we move to unpacking the smaller box. When we unpacked the smaller box, the first thing that came up was the power cable. And after that, filament spool holder. It's made from metal. Also, we received a USB 2.0 cable. Micro SD memory card. And the other stuff like T connectors that you are able to see on the video. And at the end you are able to see the all parts on the table as we finished unpacking. So basically I must say that the printer comes very well assembled, so it takes only a few minutes to finish the assembly and start using it. So this is the moment when we start tightening the roller bearings underneath the build plate. And after that, the only thing that was left to do is to tighten the Z-axis. All you need to do is tighten the two T pieces and together with the underneath screws. This is the T piece I was talking about. Also, we tightened a little bit the head of the 3D printer. Right here you can see that whole assembly of 3D printer took us less than 10 minutes. So basically it's pretty easy to assemble.